The best way to breed maggots. Hello everyone, today I will tell you the way you will provide yourself with bait for the whole summer. This is a method of growing maggots almost odorless. And it turns out that it is so much that you can use both for bait and for bait, and you can dry it and use it as an additive in the bait for winter fishing. To breed maggots, you will need 2 eggs and 2 handfuls of Hercules porridge. Break the eggs and mix the white with the yolk. Then add 2 handfuls of Hercules porridge and mix. It is not necessary to put more as the Herculean porridge will later swell and absorb all the eggs. You need to make sure that you do not get a very dry mixture. Put this mixture in a container and put it in a shaded place. The flies will find your mix and lay their larvae. After 6 days, you can harvest the bait. To do this, put a gauze or fine mesh on the top of the container and turn it over. After 2 days, the maggots will crawl into your container and you can easily collect them. In order for the maggots to become more white and clean, put them in flour, and in order to color them, add a little food dye to the container with flour. Stores maggots is in the refrigerator and in small sawdust. So it can be stored for up to 6 months. Have a good fishing.